In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the JLM Intake Cleaner aerosol to remove stubborn carbon deposits and restore engine performance for both diesel and petrol engines. This advanced formula is specifically designed for professional motor mechanics and comes with a 60 cm application hose for precision use. Step 1. Ensure the engine is at its normal operating temperature before starting the cleaning process. This helps soften any deposits and allows the cleaner to work more effectively. Step 2. Shake the JLM Intake Cleaner aerosol thoroughly before use to activate its powerful cleaning formula. Step 3. Disconnect the air intake hose from the throttle body or air intake manifold to access the intake system. Make sure you're not applying the cleaner before the turbo or intercooler. Step 4. Before applying the cleaner, use an inspection camera to examine the carbon deposits and buildup inside the intake manifold. Here, we can see significant carbon accumulation, which can reduce engine performance. Attach the 60 cm application hose to the aerosol can, then carefully insert the hose into the intake manifold. This allows for precise application of the cleaner directly onto the carbon deposits. Step 5. Start the engine and set it between 1500 and 1800 RPM for a diesel engine and set it between 2500 and 3000 RPM for a petrol car. Begin spraying the JLM Intake Cleaner in short, 1 to 2 second intervals directly into the manifold. Allow the engine to stabilize between sprays. After 10 sprays, let the engine idle for about 3 minutes to allow the cleaner to circulate and break down the carbon deposits. Repeat the process, applying short sprays until the entire can is empty. If you notice any excessive knocking or backfire during the process, pause and let the engine idle before continuing. After completing the application, use the inspection camera again to verify the results. As you can see, the carbon buildup has been significantly reduced, leaving the intake system cleaner and improving airflow. Step 6. Once the cleaning process is complete, reconnect the air intake hose and allow the engine to run for a few more minutes to ensure the cleaner fully circulates and burns off any remaining residues. Step 7. Take the vehicle for a test drive to ensure the engine runs smoothly and performance has improved. You'll notice better throttle response, reduced emissions, and improved fuel efficiency. Always wear proper safety equipment, including gloves and safety glasses, when using JLM Intake Cleaner. Use the product in a well-ventilated area and follow all safety guidelines on the label. Regular use of JLM Intake Cleaner aerosol helps maintain your engine's performance, reduces emissions, and extends its life. Add this advanced intake cleaning tool to your professional maintenance routine and experience the difference. Thank you for watching. Order the JLM Intake Cleaner aerosol today and keep your engines running at peak performance.